after waiting for so long of giving birth. So now I want to start my weight loss journey, and I want to share with you guys. First, I want to start detoxing myself, which is very good for a startup, So after many years of not doing weight loss, it's very important to start with detox. Okay, yeah. So what we are going to be having today is a lot of benefit that you really need to detox yourself. So today I'm going to be using lime, ginger, roseberry and blueberry. Okay, this smoothie or detox smoothie that we are about to make today, it contains a lot of benefits. It can help you with digestive system, can help your digestive system. It can support you for weight loss, and it can detox your body, and it can help you as well to reduce bloating, tummy, and it contains anti-inflammatory property that can help your skin, that can really help you to detox yourself. Okay, yeah. So this is what I'm starting off to detox myself after so long of not detox, of not drinking weight loss. You guys know that I had a baby, and yeah, all these are not good for baby, especially ginger, lime. Now that I want to start, so I start with this. So if you are looking forward to join my weight loss journey, don't forget to follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be uploading video daily for there. So let's go, guys, let's do this. We can do it. Okay, yeah, it's ready, and I'm about to start drinking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube video. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye, guys.